and the microscope, because we know that until and unless microscope was discovered, the study of cell would not be possible. Now let us see some of the cell theory. The German botanist Schleiden and German zoologist Schwann, these two independently they studied the cell and hence proposed the cell theory. Cell theory says that all living organisms, it may be either plants or animals, are made up of smallest unit, that is cell. And cell is the smallest unit of structure of the living organism. Cell is also smallest unit of function of living organism. And Robert Virchow also said that cellulae cellulae. That means all the new cells are coming or formed from pre-existing cells. This was about the cell theory. In later videos, we will see each organelles present inside the cell and study it in the detail. First, we will study about the protoplasmic doctrine. This protoplasm doctrine means all the living organisms are made up of living substances, and that is called as protoplasm. It was present everywhere inside the cell, and the protoplasm that is present between the cell and the nucleus, cell border and the nucleus, we say it as a cytoplasm, and the protoplasm which is present inside the nucleus, we say it as neoplasm. So let us study detail about the physical nature of this protoplasm and chemical composition of the protoplasm. Let us now study about the physical nature of protoplasm. Protoplasm is translucent, granular, slimy, semi-fluid or viscous fluid. It may exist in two interchangeable states, that is, more liquid like salt state and more solid like gel state. As you can see in the diagram, it contains of granules of different size and they are suspended in the solution. It is the salt state in which constituent molecules are free to move, whereas in the gel state the constituent molecules are commonly compactly arranged. On heating, the protoplasm becomes opaque and usually coagulates. Study about the chemical composition of protoplasm. This chemical composition is nothing but this protoplasm contains of around 35 elements. These elements mainly include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and many more. These all elements combine in a specific ratio to form carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids, and all many more things. Okay, so the basic function of this protoplasm is that it provides a background or it provides a stage to perform all the metabolic activities. It also helps us for the sensation, like when you prick or experience any kind of hot temperature, it will understand. Because of the presence of protoplasm, our cell is able to detect all these things. And last is cyclosis. Here in this, what happens is that this protoplasm travels everywhere inside the cell and provide all the necessary requirements within the cell.